Okay, welcome dear students. I am again here with the two more properties of a matrix, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So let us try to understand what is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices are. So the first, let us try to understand what is symmetric is. Symmetric matrix. Okay, any square matrix. Okay, only square matrix can be symmetric or skew symmetric. The first characteristic you have to remember is only square matrix. Only square matrix can be either symmetric or skew symmetric. None other matrix. So symmetric and skew symmetric. That you have to remember. Skew symmetric भन्ने र symmetric characteristic चाहिँ खाली square matrix को मात्रै हुन्छ. So any square matrix capital A with Aij as an entry m by m, this is a square matrix, is said to be symmetric if this characteristic holds, mean A transpose equals to A. If you get this characteristic in any square matrix, then you can say that a matrix is symmetric. Means A transpose गर्दाखेरि A नै आयो भनेदेखि चाहिँ त्यस्तो खालको म्याट्रिक्सलाई हामी के भन्छौं भन्दाखेरि symmetric matrix भन्छौं. For example, if you take example, suppose A is a matrix having entry root 3 2 3 2 minus 1.5 minus 1 3 minus 1 1. Suppose this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So if you do the transpose of this, then what you will get? It will be root 3 2 3. First row will be take the position in the first column, second row will be second column, means 2 minus 1.5 minus 1, and third row will be 3 minus 1 1. So this is again 3 by 3, and this exactly take the form of A. A is root 3 2 3 2 minus 1.5 minus 1 3 minus 1 1, which is equals to A. So this matrix is your symmetric matrix. So यो के भयो भन्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ हाम्रो symmetric matrix भयो. So this is your symmetric, and next is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric ma, okay, skew symmetric ma के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि any square matrix Aij with order m by m is skew symmetric if A transpose equals to minus A. If this characteristic hold, then we say that the matrix is skew symmetric. So this is a very important. For example, if you take a matrix B as 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus Z 0. Suppose this is my matrix, then what will be my B transpose? So B transpose will be, if you interchange the row into column, then 0 E F minus E 0 G minus F minus G 0. So if you take the common from each row, minus 1 from each row, then what you will get? B transpose will be minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. प्रत्येक रो बाट निकाले भनेदेखि minus 1 to the power 3 common हुन्छ. Then what you will get? You will be getting what? Or in other way also you can do. If you multiply B transpose with minus 1, what you will get? B transpose with minus 1, then if you multiply both side by minus 1, then you will be getting minus 1 ले प्रत्येक entry ला multiply गर्दै भनेदेखि it will be 0 E F minus E O G minus F minus G O. भनेपछि यो के भयो? This is exactly B भयो, यो matrix B भयो. O E F minus E O G minus f minus z o भनेपछि this is b भयो. So what we seen is b transpose equals to minus of b we got. So this is nothing but this is your skew symmetric matrix. So we can verify with the more example. So let us understand one very important characteristic of this skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. So one question will arise after knowing this. Every square matrix can be symmetric or skew symmetric, or only few square matrix are there which can be symmetric and skew symmetric. The question arise भइहाल्छ कि सबै मैट्रिक्स चाहिँ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक हुन्छ या त कोही मैट्रिक्स मात्रै स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक वा सिमेट्रिक हुन्छ भनेर क्वेशन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ there is one rule that if a matrix is square matrix, then if it is not in the form of symmetric or skew symmetric also, then we can easily transform that matrix into symmetric or skew symmetric. त्यसको with respect to every matrix A, there corresponds some symmetric matrix. A को symmetric matrix एउटा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि हुन्छै हुन्छ if A is square matrix, and if A is square matrix, then यसको के हुन्छ एउटा skew symmetric corresponding हुन्छै हुन्छ बनाउन सक्छौं हामीले त्यो skew symmetric र symmetric त्यो corresponding A को correspond गरेको. So that we can learn by one beautiful property. So let us try to understand that property. So what the property says is it is like this. I am reading for you all. For any square matrix capital A, so A is a square matrix. For any square matrix capital A with real number entry, so entry on A is real number, A plus A transpose is symmetric भन्दैछ. भनेपछि हामीले थाहा पायौं कि यदि A कुनै पनि स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हो भनेदेखि चाहिँ त्यसको सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ A plus A transpose हुँदो रहेछ. अनि त्यसको स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ A minus A transpose is your skew symmetric with respect to the matrix A को रेस्पेक्ट मा चाहिँ त्यसको सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स हुन्छ A plus A transpose, this is the symmetric, and skew symmetric हुन्छ A minus A transpose, skew symmetric. So these two characteristics are very, very important because the problem may come in the examination that you will be giving with one square matrix and you are supposed to convert that in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric. So let us prove this. Since this is a theorem, so I read the statement. For any square matrix A with real number entry A plus